Today we're going to be installing a carbon fiber anti-buffeting cover from Extreme Online Store. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Scott and today we are going to be installing a carbon fiber anti-buffeting cover that goes on my C8 Corvette. So basically it's just nothing more than a real simple installation. It's a peel and stick here, and you're just going to peel these off and you're just going to stick it on in its place and it goes right there. So it's really simple to install, so let's get started. So guys, we just have to go ahead and prep the area here on this A pillar right here, and we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to use some alcohol here on an alcohol pad. I'm just going to wipe it down, just like so. Okay, just like that. We're going to go ahead and let it dry. In the meantime, as you know, I don't like pulling all the sticky tape off, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that here in just a second while we're waiting for that to dry. Well, now that we got all the sticky tape off, all you're going to do is you're just going to set this in place, get it right lined up where it goes. Be careful not to make sure that the tape doesn't stick ahead of time. You're going to get this lined up right where it goes. You'll feel it. It has a happy spot here. There we go, just like that. Stick it on. Okay. That's all there is to it. So guys, this was probably one of the easiest installs you've ever seen me do. This was completely peel and stick. We put it on. All we had to do is a little alcohol swab to clean that up and get it ready and prepped. And that's about as simple as it gets. It is real carbon fiber, and the weave matches all of the other parts that Extreme Online sells, and so you won't have any problem there. They also sell a lot of other carbon fiber parts, so if you are in the need for any of that type of stuff that you've seen on this car, be sure and reach out to Extreme Online Store and they'll be able to get you set up. Okay, I'm going to put that information right here on the screen. So guys, I want to thank you all for watching today, and those of you that have subscribed to the channel, I say it all the time, thank you so much for subscribing. Those of you that might be watching me for the very first time today, or you guys have been watching and you haven't hit the subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. It will definitely help us with the algorithms with Google as well as YouTube and all of the other websites to be able to get more and more subscribers in, so I can get to more and more manufacturers that will do more sponsorships to be able to make it so I can bring you more and more videos. So if you, like I said, if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button. And as far as that goes, guys, we're going to be doing a whole bunch more videos, so stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoyed it today, and you have a good night.